Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you watch live videos into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook Lite application. And after opening the application, just simply tap into these three bars into the top right corner. From there, you just simply have to click into this live videos option down here. And after clicking there, you can see all of the live broadcasting into your Facebook. You can choose options from here, like you can choose for you options, reels, live videos and following saved. You can also do that by simply going to this videos tab, and after going there, select this live option here. By using these two methods, you can watch live videos into Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.